JJ.A.C Tech Channel. TP-Link VIGI C330I 3MP Outdoor IR Bullet Network Camera, Unboxing and Installation. (3MP Super High Definition). The VIGI C330i camera comes with 3MP, more than enough pixels to pick up some of the more discrete details. H.265+, without using any extra bandwidth. Your cameras transmit compressed, crystal clear video to save disk space, ease network loads, and reduce monitoring costs without sacrificing image quality. PoE and 12-volt DC. Two types of power supply not only give you more convenience, but also make your wiring remarkably easy. Waterproof, reliable IP67 for stable outdoor performance. Package contents: installation guide, screws and waterproof cable attachments, mounting template, VIGI C330i unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.